If you're new to the channel, welcome to the channel. If you've been here, welcome back. What's going on, people? Welcome back. Well, I'm back with another Loc'd update. I do apologize for the delay. I've been working on my gaming channel. I'm Lit Gaming. I had to switch it up a couple times. Redid the logo. Now I got an Elgato, so I'm recording gameplay like I'm supposed to. I haven't started streaming yet. Thinking about going to Twitch. Might stay on YouTube. I don't know. I kind of curse in my videos.
Bill ain't gonna do it. I got to do it, motherfucker. Die.
I don't know how they're gonna take that, if they're gonna ban me or not. I seen Berlin, he said digger, and they banned him for a couple of days or a day. I don't even want that mistake to happen to me, so I might have to clean up my vocabulary before I just hop on Twitch. You know, I do got a Twitch channel, I just haven't put nothing on it. But the YouTube is trying to get popping. I got 27 subscribers on that mug. I'm trying to put up some clean videos for y'all, so stay tuned on that if you want to click on that. But here, in between this time, I'm supposed to have done a retwist. I used some new shampoo. That's about all I really did. Now with this new shampoo, I used it, shampoo and conditioner, and then that's all I did. I haven't had any complications. That's a little, I've been a little busy, so I wasn't able to retwist. So this is why I haven't got anything done. So this is what my hair looks like right now. It's real poofy. It got something that's trying to hold hands, stick together, like, hey, you loose, I'm loose, let's be loose together. And I gotta separate the locks. I gotta go through them. In the back, I might need some help, you know. I recently went to the beach, had the waves knocking me all around. I had the hairband, lost that in the water. Now I gotta tie my hair up by itself, well, with itself. Speaking of the beach, I do plan on getting a shower cap from your boy Not Locks. He got one on there with the little logo on it. Thinking about getting it and trying it out and letting you guys know how that works for me. As far as getting in the water, I don't really swim in the ocean, especially with these waves crashing. They just threw me around, really. So I'ma just use it at a pool whenever they open, and I try to float when the waters are calm. That's about it. But I did want to try to get one and see how it works, see if it's, you know what I'm saying, a good shower cap. Make sure, you know, my hair don't always get wet if I don't want it to get wet. But if I don't mind, I'm jumping in that water and I'll be fine, you know. I'm gonna do another wash real soon, and then I'm gonna do an actual retwist, make sure my locks don't combine together. You see all this? Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Just about all my locks are doing that. So I'm gonna have to maintain that, get that in check, you know what I'm saying? But other than that, I ain't been having no problems, man. This new shampoo and conditioner, I'm gonna have to do a review on it, man. It's working wonders. I ain't had no shampoo conditioner like this where I ain't have to use no other products in between washes, you know what I'm saying? Wash and condition and let it ride. I've been good. I ain't no dryness, no itching. It's not real oily either, you know. It's, you know, good to go. Well, I hopped out the ocean, so I'm gonna have to wash it. But still, before that, I'm good. You know, I'm out here getting it. You know, as far as hair length, that's getting down there, touching the waist. You know what I'm saying? Waistband. Each time I wash it, a piece does come off, like 2 or 3 locks. But I ain't really worried about that. I will be doing a shampoo review. I'm gonna do a retwist. I might get a style done because it's still hot. I gotta get my scalps to breathe, you know what I'm saying? And another aloe vera hair treatment should be coming up. I'm gonna grab me a leaf, bust it down, and spread it out. You know what I'm saying? Appreciate y'all for tuning in, liking, watching, subscribing. Until next time, it's your boy MoBey.